Get on with it. Yes, get on with it.
Hey, what's going on, guys? So the Sonic movie with Sonic game music is a very popular series on my channel.
I love the way you make them!
And as you know, a lot of people are very interested in how I make the videos. I get a lot of requests, on how it's done. So in this video, I'm going to go through the whole process if you want to make your own edits.
Finally!
So students, pay attention. We're going to go through this step by step. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is get a copy of the film in a file format. And this is very important. You need to make sure that your file has 6-channel audio. You can check whether your file has 6-channel audio by going to Properties, Details, and then it will say it right here, Channels 6. That's what you want to see. Alright, so you're probably like, but how do I get the Sonic movie with 6-channel audio? And that's actually the hard part. Probably the easiest way to get a copy of the movie with 6-channel audio is probably by pirating it.
You are a pirate! You're our fidelity!
Now obviously I do not condone doing that because well, it's illegal. There are multiple ways of buying the movie online, and if you have the DVD or Blu-ray you can just burn it to a file. But if you are gonna pirate, just make sure you use a VPN, okay?
I'm begging your pardon, Squire, but me and my matey are gonna sail off and search for that lumber Sonic. Arr!
Next, we're gonna edit out the music itself. So you're gonna need Premiere Pro for this. I believe this is possible to do with Final Cut, but I cannot confirm that. I use Premiere Pro. Alright, so first you need to import your film. As you can see, the film has music in it. So what you need to do is right click on it, modify audio channels. When this pops up, you can see all the 6 channels. As you can see, basically each channel is a different layer of audio. So we only want the one with the dialogue. Now what you need to do is go to clip channel format and change 5.1 to mono. And then go from L to C, because C is where the dialogue is. So when we select that, it's only going to focus on the dialogue. Now, as you can see, if we play the clip again, the soundtrack of the movie is gone.
Who is this guy?
Ever wonder where your tax dollars are going?
My turn. Here, just keep us going straight. I put it in cruise control.
I feel just like Vin Diesel.
See? So yeah, that's how you take out the soundtrack. Alright, so how about we go ahead and edit a video together. Yesterday I posted the Sonic movie Eggman dance scene with Sonic game music. So the next one I plan to do is Tails, so we can start doing that. If you're watching this, the video is probably already out by now and you've already watched it. But let's go ahead and see how we do it. Alright, so the Tails scene is obviously at the end, so we need to go find that bit. Alright, here it is. To select it, we're going to mark in there and go to the end of that clip. Alright, that's the end. Make sure it's exactly near the end. Mark out, drag that into the timeline. So now we have the actual scene itself with no music. Alright, so let's go ahead and add some music to this. So I think the obvious one is probably Believe in Myself. So let's go ahead and add that one in. I'm using the instrumental version, by the way. So yeah, drag that in. Now for this scene, I want the music to play right when Tails comes out of the ring. So we need to time this precisely. So he comes out right about there. That's when we first see him, so that's when the music I think will start. So let's make that bigger for us a little bit so we can see what we're doing. So if we play that, great. Now it's a bit loud. Remember, this is background music, so you don't want the music to be overbearing. So let's turn that down a little bit. it's still a bit loud. So remember, we don't want the music to overpower the actual dialogue. Remember, it's background music. So just keep fiddling with it until you find a little sweet spot.
If these readings are accurate, he's here. I found him. I just hope I'm not too late.
About there should be fine.
Are accurate. He's here. I found him. I just hope I'm not too late.
Yeah, I think that's about good. So let's go ahead and cut that other part out. And yeah, let's go ahead and see what we got.
If these readings are accurate, he's here. I found him. I just hope I'm not too late.
Beautiful. I was so hyped when I saw this in the cinema, by the way. Does anyone remember when Tails used to be a good character? Like, fam. Cause like Tails now, he's just.
No, you don't. You trust Eggman more. Do you know how much that bites?
He irritates me now, that's what I can say.
Huh? Whoa, Chaos! Sonic, help me!
Hello? You defeated Chaos when it was much stronger at level 4!
Yeah! Sonic, help me!
I beg your pardon?
So, yeah, that's basically all there is to it. Now, I know not everyone's gonna have Premiere Pro. I mean, it is an expensive software, I can't lie.
Oh, just look at that. I'm down to my last few coppers.
So for those who do want to edit their own clips and don't want to have to, you know, do all that, I'm going to include all the links to the clips without the music in the description. I'm also going to put the links on each of the past videos descriptions as well. And for any future videos I do, I will also include a link to the clip without music in the description. If you use any of my templates and you want to upload your edits to YouTube, just make sure to link my channel so people know where the templates are coming from. And if you post your edits to Twitter, Instagram, or social media, just make sure you tag me. I would love to see what you guys do. But yeah, if you see any comments in any future videos, you know, asking how these things are made, just link them to this video. I hope I explained everything. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Have a good day, and God bless.